Seen as one of the longest lasting, easiest to install roofing systems, this is where it all started over 50 years ago. Easy and quick, installed in one piece, 50-year life expectancy, and there's no special tools or flames. And it also comes with BBA and fire certification. So this roof took 90 minutes for me to install on my own. For those of you that want a little bit more detail, let's take a closer look. So despite being only 1.2 millimeters thick and only one layer is required, it's incredibly tough, incredibly hard to tear as well. So will this rubber always be this tough? Well, unlike more traditional systems like felt, it won't become brittle over time, it's completely UV stable. So ClassicBond is normally used in applications like extensions, loft conversion dormers, garages and garden rooms like this. It can be more challenging when you've got roofs with large skylights in it, orangeries and things like that, or roofs with multiple skylights, loads of protrusions and details as well. In these situations you'll probably be thinking about splitting the membranes down into pieces, more manageable sizes. Then the seam tapes can be supplied and you can just join them with them.